If you run an agency, you already know the tech stack can get out of hand fast. One tool for funnels, another for outreach, another for reporting, then 5 more for tracking, calls, and data. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a curated list of best SMMA tools that actually move the needle and play nicely together, instead of bloating your monthly subscriptions. Timestamps are below to jump straight to the tool you're considering. And in the description, you'll find our partners' current discounts and free trials. Let's dive in. If you're looking for a smarter, faster way to create high-converting ad creatives, AdCreative might be exactly what you need. It uses advanced AI to generate ads that don't just look good, they're designed to perform. The platform analyzes patterns from millions of past high-performing ads, which means every creative it generates is backed by serious data. Over time, the AI keeps learning and improving, so your ads get smarter with every campaign. What really makes AdCreative stand out is how it consistently delivers creatives that outperform manually designed ads. You'll notice higher click-through rates, lower cost per click, and better conversion rates overall. The AI handles everything, from image ads to scroll-stopping videos. So whether you're running Facebook, Instagram, Google, or Bing ads, the creatives you get are ready to plug in and perform. If you're running e-commerce campaigns, the video generation tool is especially powerful. It creates ad-ready videos that are tailor-made for social platforms where video content is king. And it's not just about creation. AdCreative also gives you deep performance insights. You'll see which creatives are working best, track trends, and get suggestions to help optimize future campaigns. You can even personalize ads based on your audience's demographics and interests, which is super helpful when you're trying to reach new segments or expand into new markets. The platform integrates seamlessly with major ad platforms, so it can pull data from your campaigns and use it to improve your results over time. The white label option lets agencies customize the dashboard with a logo, URL, and branding to make it feel like your own tool. It's a great way to impress clients and streamline creative production under your agency's name. Pricing plans start at $25 per month. If this sounds appealing, AdCreative offers our audience up to 50% off for any pricing plan and $500 free Google Ads credits. And if you want a deeper dive, we have a dedicated video review of AdCreative that walks through the entire platform in detail. Everybody knows GoHighLevel. The difference is most agencies use maybe 10% of what it can do. The real power is when you combine workflows with the AI employee tools, so leads get handled fast, consistently, and without you babysitting the inbox. From lead generation and customer communication to AI-powered automation and outreach. What makes GoHighLevel stand out is how deeply it blends automation and artificial intelligence into the platform. You get classic CRM features like pipelines and contact management, but they're layered with smart AI tools that help you work faster and smarter. You can build websites, funnels, and landing pages to attract leads and then use surveys and forms to gather info and qualify them. There's even a built-in calendar tool that syncs with your appointment scheduling, making it super easy to handle bookings without juggling different apps. Once a lead is in your system, GoHighLevel gives you multiple ways to nurture them. You can follow up via voicemail, calls, text messages, email, and even Facebook Messenger. And it's not just basic automation. GoHighLevel's new AI features, branded as the AI Employee Suite, add a whole new layer of intelligence to the way you engage with leads and customers. One of the most impressive tools is Conversation AI. It uses OpenAI technology to handle messages like a human support agent would, picking up on negative tones, understanding keywords, and replying with smart, relevant answers. It works across SMS, Facebook, and Instagram, and can even schedule appointments during conversations by grabbing booking links from your calendar setup. You can also guide conversations using a set of custom questions to pre-qualify leads before they ever speak to someone on your team. You can choose between suggestive mode, where the AI gives reply suggestions, and autopilot mode, where it responds entirely on its own. That means you're covered even when your team is offline. It's like having an assistant who never takes a break. GoHighLevel's voice AI acts as an AI-powered receptionist for phone calls. It ensures you never miss a call or lead, even outside of business hours. When a customer dials your number and you can't answer, voice AI will pick up the call using a natural-sounding voice assistant. This AI agent can greet the caller and conduct a dialogue to gather important information. For instance, the caller's name, their needs or questions, and even book appointments if appropriate. It's capable of handling multiple calls concurrently, qualifying leads by asking questions and then transferring to a human or taking a message when necessary. The voice AI is essentially an AI-driven call workflow. With a bit of setup, you can customize its script and flows. It can answer FAQs via phone much like a voice IVR, but smarter, and even initiate outbound voice surveys or follow-ups. For example, a dental clinic could have voice AI answer calls that come in after hours. The AI might say, "Hi, you've reached Dr. Smith's office. Are you looking to book an appointment?" Based on the response, it can collect details and slot the appointment directly into the calendar. All the call details like caller number, duration, transcripts of the interaction can be logged into the CRM automatically for later review. This voice AI essentially functions like an AI call center agent. Businesses that get a high volume of calls like real estate offices, medical practices, or home services can use it to filter and handle routine calls. It saves time by addressing simple inquiries and gathering lead info, while alerting human staff for the calls that truly need their attention. And because it's AI, it can handle unlimited simultaneous calls, a significant advantage for scalability. If you love building automations, GoHighLevel's Workflow AI is a game changer. You can automate entire sequences like follow-ups, task assignments, and lead scoring. But now you can go further by adding AI steps into those workflows. That means your automation can actually read a lead's message, understand the sentiment, and take action based on what it finds. For example, it could detect that someone's upset and automatically create a support task or send a thoughtful response. Or it could analyze a new lead's message to see if they're a hot prospect or just browsing and route them accordingly. And for agencies doing outbound sales, GoHighLevel has a built-in power dialer. You can run calling campaigns straight from your CRM, moving through calls automatically without dialing each number manually. When you hit voicemail, it can drop a pre-recorded message and move on to the next call. After each call, you can log outcomes with call dispositions, which then trigger follow-up actions like emails or future calls. You can even create different call scripts and voicemail drops depending on how the call goes, keeping your outreach efficient and personalized. Where GoHighLevel stands out as best all-in-one for agencies is the white label and SaaS side. On the higher plans, you can rebrand the entire platform with your own logo, domain, and even a white label mobile app, then resell it as your own software and control pricing and feature access for each client account. SaaS mode lets you move beyond pure services and package your own software plus service bundles, turning your systems, snapshots, and automations into recurring productized revenue instead of just billable hours. Plans start at $97 per month. GoHighLevel offers our audience an extended 30-day free trial with a discount. DashClicks is another all-in-one platform built specifically for digital marketing agencies that combines everything from CRM and automation to billing and white label fulfillment into one smooth system. It offers a suite of tools that closely mirror those found in GoHighLevel, but with some tweaks. The CRM lets you do much more than just store contacts. You can create and manage pipelines, automate your follow-ups, and keep sales stages moving. You can communicate with clients through emails and texts, set reminders, assign tasks, and get a full view of every interaction, whether you're dealing with individuals or businesses. The Deals app gives you a clean visual layout of your sales pipeline with stages you can customize to fit your workflow. DashClicks also comes with a set of automation tools that help you speed things up. You can create triggers that send out messages, assign reps, or set reminders, so your team doesn't waste time doing repetitive tasks. When it comes to communication, the Conversations feature pulls everything into one place. You can manage emails, live chat, and two-way texting from one inbox. You can even embed live chat on your website, making it easier to engage with visitors in real time. There's also a mobile app, so you can reply to messages and collaborate with your team even when you're on the go. For many agencies, this can completely replace tools like Intercom or Zendesk. The billing app connects directly to Stripe, so you can manage clients, subscriptions, and invoices without leaving the platform. Everything syncs back and forth in real time. With features like text to pay and email to pay, you can collect payments faster and offer a better experience for your clients. If you're dealing with leads from different platforms, the Inbound app has you covered. It pulls in leads from sources like Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, or DashClicks' own form builder. New leads are automatically added as contacts and deals in your CRM, assigned to the right reps, and followed up with instantly thanks to automation. To help you stand out, DashClicks includes tools like InstaSites and InstaReports. With InstaSites, you can build fully designed websites in just a few clicks, great for impressing prospects or giving clients a quick upgrade. InstaReports give you detailed audits on SEO, social media, and reputation, so you can show prospects exactly where they need help and position your services as the solution. Analytics are also built in, giving you a clear view of your campaign performance across channels like Facebook ads, Google Analytics, and SEO. You can manage reputation too, with features that let you respond to reviews or automate replies, so your clients always look good online. For agencies that want to grow without adding overhead, DashClicks offers a white label fulfillment center. You can sell services like Facebook ads, Google ads, and more, and the DashClicks team handles the actual work. This isn't outsourced to random freelancers. It's fulfilled in-house, giving you peace of mind about quality. You also get an order tracker, a dedicated account manager, and even Slack access to stay in the loop on your clients' campaigns. And the profit margins here are solid. Many agencies report 3 to 5 times return on what they pay. If you're considering DashClicks, there's a special deal available right now. Their Plus plan, normally priced at $299 per month, is available for $97 per month for a limited time. It also includes a 14-day free trial so you can test everything before committing. Duda is a website platform that's built with agencies in mind, so instead of feeling like a DIY builder you're hacking for clients, it's more like an agency backend you can put your brand on. You get a drag-and-drop editor, responsive designs, and strong performance out of the box, but the big win for you is that the whole thing can be fully white-labeled with your own logo, domain, emails, and even custom help content, so clients never see Duda anywhere, and everything looks like your in-house platform. You build sites fast using a library of modern, responsive templates and pre-designed sections that you can tweak, save, and reuse across accounts, or turn into your own internal templates for specific niches. That means once you have a dentist or roofing-based site dialed in, you can spin up new projects in hours instead of days, while still keeping full control over layout, widgets, custom code, and design system settings. Duda also brings in AI helpers for building sites, generating copy, meta descriptions, and alt text, so you can speed up production without handing everything to generic AI tools outside your workflow. From an operations perspective, you manage everything from one dashboard, which is a big deal once you're juggling dozens or hundreds of client sites. You can assign roles and permissions, invite clients into a branded portal, give them limited editing access, and use built-in comment and review tools to collect feedback right on the page instead of over endless email threads. You also get integrated client billing on many plans, so you can charge recurring fees for hosting and maintenance via Stripe without bolting on another tool just to get paid. Under the hood, Duda is hosted on AWS with a global CDN, which is why agencies often lean on it when they care about core web vitals, mobile performance, and SEO out of the gate. You get responsive design, built-in SEO controls, dynamic pages that can pull from data collections, e-commerce, memberships, and integrations with tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, and other CRM, so it plays nicely with the rest of your marketing stack instead of living in a silo. It's not the cheapest builder, and there's no permanent free tier, but you do get a 14-day trial with the white label features so you can test it like an internal platform before committing. If you want a deeper dive, we have a dedicated review video of Duda that walks through the whole platform in detail and how to use it as an agency. JustCall is a cloud phone and contact center platform that gives your agency a proper calling and SMS backbone without you having to mess with old-school telephony. You get virtual numbers in lots of countries, call routing, SMS, and a modern dialer that your team can run from anywhere, so your reps and account managers can handle client and prospect calls from a browser or mobile app instead of being tied to a desk phone. It has 3 types of dialers to fit different outreach strategies, so whether you're burning through a list or targeting a few high-value accounts, you can match the dialer to the job. The power dialer automatically moves to the next contact as soon as the current call ends, helping you maintain a smooth workflow without interruptions. The parallel dialer takes a more aggressive approach by calling multiple contacts at once and connecting you only when a live person answers. The dynamic dialer adjusts calling speeds in real time based on factors like call outcomes, agent availability, and call volume to optimize your efforts. The dialing experience is fast and practical. You can run up to 10 lines in parallel, skip manual dialing, and auto-retry missed numbers so reps stay in conversations instead of dead time. On top of that, JustCall leans hard into AI. Their JustCall AI and JustCall IQ features handle call transcription, summaries, sentiment analysis, and moment tracking, and they can give reps real-time prompts and coaching during calls. Post-call, you can review scoring, key moments, and scripts compliance to improve your playbooks and training. Where it gets interesting for agencies is how deeply it plugs into your existing stack. JustCall connects with tools like HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, Zoho, Zendesk, and other CRMs and help desks, and it automatically logs calls, texts, and voicemails to the right contact or ticket. That means your team can click to call from inside the CRM, see full call history on a deal or contact record, and stop wasting time on manual data entry while still keeping every client touchpoint documented. And if you want to push after-hours coverage without adding headcount, their AI voice agent can qualify inbound interest, book meetings, and hand off hot leads, which is a rare bonus in this category. It picks up, greets the caller, understands their needs in natural language, and responds just like a human would. The bot can qualify leads, answer common questions, schedule meetings, and even update your CRM during the same conversation. It knows when to keep going and when to bring in a human, making it easy for callers to get what they need without sitting through annoying phone menus. Setting up the AI agent is fast and easy. You just open the prompt wizard, tell it what you want the agent to do, choose a tone and personality style, and it creates a script using a custom GPT model. You can fine-tune the voice to match your brand, whether that's warm and casual or sharp and to the point, and test everything instantly in the sandbox. You should know that while the basic features are included in the entry-level plans, some of the advanced AI tools are reserved for higher-tier subscriptions. There might also be occasional restrictions on dialing certain numbers, but those situations are rare. Pricing plans start at $19 per month. JustCall offers a 14-day free trial so you can test out its features before subscribing. Hyros is an ad tracking and attribution platform that helps you finally see which of your ads are actually making money, not just getting clicks. Instead of relying on messy pixel data from Facebook, Google, or TikTok, you plug Hyros into your funnels, and it follows each lead from the very first touch all the way to the sale, across devices, emails, calls, and channels. When you use it as an agency, you're basically adding a dedicated tracking layer on top of whatever ad platforms your clients are already using. Hyros pulls data in from major ad networks, and your CRM or checkout ties every click and visitor to actual revenue, and then sends clean conversion signals back to the ad platforms so their algorithms can optimize properly. That means you can show clients real rows by channel and by campaign, not conflicting numbers from different dashboards, and you can make confident scaling decisions backed by multi-touch attribution instead of last-click guesses. Inside the app, you get detailed reporting on the full customer journey. Which ads or creatives start the relationship, which sequences or touchpoints push people to book a call or start a trial, and which funnels bring in the highest value customers over time. You can track calls and emails alongside your ads, see behavior across funnels, and use forecasting and deep analytics to spot the campaigns that will scale profitably, not just the ones that look good in platform today. Hyros also leans heavily into AI. It uses the tracking data to power AI attribution and remarketing, so you can run more intelligent retargeting and give ad platforms better training data than they get from standard pixels alone. The result is usually higher ROI from the same or even lower ad spend, which is exactly the kind of outcome you want to put in your client reports. In practice, Hyros tends to make the most sense for you if you run an SMMA or performance agency working with info products, high-ticket coaching, SaaS, or e-com brands that are already investing heavily in paid traffic and care a lot about accurate tracking. It's a premium, demo-based tool rather than a cheap dashboard add-on, so it's overkill for tiny budgets or super simple funnels. But if your clients are scaling across multiple ad platforms, complaining about broken tracking, and asking you for clear, defensible ROI numbers, Hyros can become one of those core tools that you build your reporting, optimization, and even your agency offer around. Madgicx is an AI-powered solution for meta advertisers that plugs industry-leading digital marketers' proven knowledge, skills, and tactics into the power of an AI media buying app that never sleeps. The platform is built by a team of Facebook ad pros with years of hands-on experience that runs into billions of dollars. Madgicx is the first AI-powered paid advertising platform offering an end-to-end solution that raises profits. Arguably, its most powerful feature is the AI Marketer, the first AI media buyer created to provide data-backed optimization suggestions. It continuously audits your ads, then prepares one-click actions you can launch to boost performance. This automation allows you to maximize ROI while significantly reducing ad management time. Madgicx also confronts the impending death of third-party cookies with future-proof tracking and attribution capabilities, restoring confidence in Facebook reporting. With Madgicx's automation tactics, you can integrate proven strategies used by top-tier media buyers into your campaigns. The platform automates key processes, ensuring your ads are optimized without requiring constant manual intervention. It simplifies the media buying process, helping you improve return on ad spend, drive more conversions, and grow your revenue. Custom automation tools allow you to adapt workflows to your unique business needs by selecting from over 300 metrics and creating personalized tactics. You can even combine strategies for complex goals, providing flexibility and control over your campaigns. Madgicx also features an AI-powered ad generator that streamlines the creative process. It offers access to a vast library of high-performing ads for inspiration and analysis, making it easier to study competitors or industry leaders. The tool helps you quickly produce scroll-stopping ads, reducing production costs while keeping your creative team in sync. You can refine AI-generated ads easily by providing feedback, with expert designers making adjustments in just 24 to 48 hours. With dashboards and visualizations providing insights, and an AI media buyer at your fingertips, Madgicx gives advertisers an advanced hub for paid advertising. Search Atlas leans into the shift toward AI search and LLM. Their LLM visibility feature tracks how your brand appears inside answers from ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and similar tools. You can see where you are mentioned, how often, in what context, and with what sentiment. And you can benchmark that against competitors. Because LLM visibility sits inside the same site metrics area as your traditional SERP data, you can look at organic rankings and AI mentions side by side and connect changes in one channel to shifts in the other. On the on-site side, Search Atlas includes site audit tools, page-level analyzers, and backlink and authority modules. You can crawl your site for technical issues, check on-page optimization, and monitor backlinks and referring domains without leaving the platform. That is where Auto SEO comes in. Auto is positioned as an AI SEO agent rather than just a reporting feature. You drop a pixel into your site header, connect the site in your Search Atlas dashboard, and Auto starts analyzing pages, identifying opportunities, and deploying optimizations directly to your site. It can adjust metadata, improve internal links, fix common technical issues, and roll out content tweaks that aim to increase rankings and organic traffic over time. Search Atlas covers the usual SEO bases. You get keyword tools that process billions of keywords, with things like topic and cluster generators, keyword gap analysis, intent filters, and geo-targeting for local and international campaigns. Those keyword insights feed directly into Content Genius, their AI content optimizer, which builds full SEO drafts from your target terms and SERP data. It can generate outlines, suggest focus terms and NLP entities, recommend internal links, and even produce AI images and Q&A sections, so you are not starting from a blank page every time you brief or write an article. Beyond organic search, the platform extends its automation story into paid. Auto Google Ads is an AI system that scans your site, builds full Google Ads campaigns with ad groups, keywords, and copy, and pushes them straight into your Google Ads account. Search Atlas has also begun rolling out auto meta ads and additional PPC automations, so the same environment that handles your SEO can also handle a chunk of your paid search workflows. For agencies, one of the main selling points is white labeling. You can put your own branding on the Search Atlas dashboard and offer your clients access to auto SEO, Google Ads, Content Genius, audits, and reports as if they were your own tools. The white label setup is built with multi-site management in mind, so you can manage portfolios, see performance summaries across accounts, and use AI summaries to spot wins, stable accounts, and churn risk. This can help agencies productize SEO and PPC services and create a more platform-like client experience instead of sending separate reports from different tools. BookYourData is a B2B contact database that helps you grab clean, ready-to-use leads without locking yourself into some huge data contract. Instead of paying for a giant subscription you might not fully use, you buy credits, pull exactly the contacts you want, and those credits never expire. That pay-as-you-go model is great if you run an agency because your lead volume goes up and down with client projects and you don't want another fixed monthly cost eating into your margin. You use it mainly to build targeted B2B lists for cold email, outbound sales, and prospecting campaigns. You can filter by things like industry, location, company size, and job title, then export the contacts you like as a CSV that drops straight into any CRM or email platform. Each record comes with rich firmographic and contact details, and the database covers hundreds of countries and hundreds of millions of contacts, so you're not stuck with just US-only data when your clients want to go global. The big value pitch is accuracy. BookYourData leans hard on real-time email verification and claims around a 97% accuracy rate, which means fewer bounces, fewer spam complaints, and better sender reputation for you and your clients. Every contact you export is verified on the fly, including tricky catch-all domains, and you only pay for deliverable emails, so you are not wasting credits on dead addresses. MeetAlfred is an all-in-one automation platform designed to help B2B companies and agencies connect with their ideal clients across multiple channels, without the hassle of doing everything manually. It's especially useful if you're looking to scale outreach on LinkedIn, email, Twitter, and more, all while keeping things personal and professional. You can easily filter and target prospects based on job title, company, industry, or location, making sure your campaigns hit the right audience every time. The campaign builder is super intuitive, letting you craft personalized message sequences that actually sound like a real person wrote them. That's a big plus if you want your outreach to feel more human and less like a cold sales pitch. Once your campaigns are live, Alfred gives you real-time insights so you can see what's working and what's not. You can pause campaigns, tweak your messages, or add more leads at any point. And if someone replies, Alfred automatically stops sending follow-ups, giving you the chance to jump in and take over the conversation personally, so nothing feels robotic or out of place. The contacts dashboard is also really handy. It shows you detailed info about your leads, like their company details, emails, phone numbers, and more, helping you keep everything organized and making it easier to follow up in a meaningful way. For agencies and resellers, Alfred offers a white label version of the platform. You can rebrand the tool entirely and offer LinkedIn automation and lead generation services under your own name. You also get full control over how the automation works, from targeting criteria to message personalization and timing, so you can tailor everything to meet your clients' specific goals. If you're looking for a flexible multi-channel outreach tool that makes prospecting and lead generation easier for your team or your clients, Alfred is definitely worth checking out. Pricing starts at $59 per month, and there's a free trial with no credit card required. WhatConverts is a lead tracking and attribution platform that helps you prove which marketing actually drives revenue, not just clicks or form fills. Instead of juggling separate tools for call tracking, form tracking, and reporting, you use one dashboard to capture every lead from calls, forms, chats, and even e-commerce with full marketing data attached. Each lead comes in with its source, campaign, keyword, landing page, and other context, so you can stop guessing which channels work and start tying results directly to the campaigns you are running. If you run an agency, WhatConverts is built very much with you in mind. It is trusted by thousands of PPC and SEO agencies and offers white label options so you can put your own logo, domain, and branding on the reports and dashboards your clients see. That means you deliver clean, professional reporting under your own brand while WhatConverts handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. You can manage multiple client accounts, track all of their lead sources, and standardize how you qualify and value leads across your portfolio. The call tracking side is strong. You can spin up tracking numbers quickly, use dynamic number insertion on websites, and connect every phone call back to the Google Ads, Bing, or other campaign and keyword that drove it. Calls are recorded and logged with rich details, and you can qualify them inside a live view dashboard, so your team can mark which calls are sales ready, junk, or follow-up needed. From there, you can see in seconds which campaigns are producing real opportunities and which ones are just ringing the phone with low-quality leads. Beyond calls, WhatConverts gives you full lead management. You can sort, filter, and search leads by channel, keyword, campaign, or custom fields, assign values, and quickly export filtered lists into your CRM when you want to push everything into a sales workflow. The platform also lets you create custom reports and quick reports directly in the Lead Manager, so you can grab insights without spending all day building spreadsheets. For monthly performance reviews, the All Leads in One report style summaries make it easy to show clients which channels, keywords, and campaigns actually drove value over time. On the attribution side, WhatConverts tracks using first-party data, which means you are not as exposed to third-party cookie changes. It connects marketing data to individual leads rather than anonymous conversion numbers, so you can see exactly what type of customer came from each source and optimize your media mix around revenue or quote value, not just raw conversions. Flock Social is an Instagram growth platform built to help you grow a real and engaged audience without relying on bots or fake followers. Instead of flooding your account with low-quality or irrelevant users, it focuses on organic growth by targeting real people who are genuinely interested in your content or niche. The platform works by identifying and engaging with users who are likely to care about what you're offering. It uses advanced targeting and filtering tools so you can narrow down your audience by specific interests, behaviors, locations, and more. Everything is fully customizable, which means you're in control of how the growth happens and who you're attracting. If you run a social media agency or you're thinking about offering Instagram growth as a service, Flock Social makes that easy too. They offer a white label program that lets you use their tech under your own branding. You get access to their platform, but you can customize the entire experience so it looks and feels like your own service. This is perfect if you want to start or scale a social media growth business without building everything from scratch. As a reseller, you get more than just the tech. You also receive dedicated onboarding support, priority customer assistance, and continuous updates to keep your service competitive. So you're not just getting a tool, you're getting the infrastructure and support to build a sustainable business around it. The best part for agencies is the flat daily pricing model. It's simple and predictable, and it automatically adjusts based on how many client accounts you manage. If you're looking to help clients grow their Instagram presence in a way that's real, safe, and effective, Flock Social gives you everything you need to deliver that. Below this video, you can create a free Flock Social account. Lindy.ai is an AI agent platform that lets you hire AI employees instead of just adding another chatbot or copy tool to your stack. You use it to build agents that actually do work for you and your clients, sending emails, updating CRMs, routing tasks, joining meetings, and handling support or ops workflows without code. You describe the job in plain language, plug in the tools you already use, and Lindy turns that into a workflow that runs on its own. As an agency, you can treat Lindy like a no-code automation layer that sits across sales, marketing, and operations. You can build AI SDRs that find and qualify leads, send personalized outbound, follow up automatically, and keep your CRM up to date. You can have other agents join client calls, take notes, summarize action items, and push tasks into tools like Asana or ClickUp so nothing falls through the cracks. You can also spin up support agents that answer common questions, triage tickets, and hand off edge cases to humans, all using your own knowledge base and client-specific playbooks. Where Lindy gets strong for agencies is how the agents work together and plug into the rest of your stack. You can connect Lindy to Gmail, Slack, Google Workspace, Notion, Airtable, HubSpot, Salesforce, Shopify, and a couple hundred other apps, then use it as the orchestration layer between them. For example, you might have a Slack agent that watches a channel, turns client requests into ClickUp tasks, logs updates in Notion, and pings the right account manager, all without anyone copying and pasting. Or you route new leads from forms and inboxes into your CRM, tag them, send an intro sequence, and notify your team in Slack automatically. You do not need to be technical to get started. The builder is visual and template-driven, so you can grab pre-built agents for things like outbound sales, customer support, executive assistant work, and internal ops, then tweak them for each client.